Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pie recipe in gag, only way. Begin by choosing a firm crust and stable filling that mimic real pie, but are safe for slapstick. Mix fillings slightly thicker than normal and chill before use to prevent splatter. Practice a dry run with an empty pie plate to test balance and weight. Keep a towel handy and warn participants before select a crust that holds form without cracking and a filling that looks authentic under stage lights. Thicken with cornstarch or mashed banana to avoid runny messes while still appearing delicious. Chill the pie until firm to about 3.5 inches resilience so it behaves predictably when thrown or pressed. Rehearse placement and grip to control the gag and reduce surprises during live performances with friends or audiences. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more playful cooking tips. Quick recommendation: grab a Kindle Paperwhite for crisp, pourable reading so you can follow recipes anywhere, even between gag rehearsals. It's lightweight and easy to read under weird kitchen lights, making practice less chaotic. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Brief everyone involved on timing, roles, and safe contact zones before the gag to ensure comfort and consent. Aim for shoulder or chest when executing the pie toss to avoid facial injury, and keep force moderate to prevent harm. Keep first aid supplies nearby and stop immediately if someone feels uncomfortable. Clear the performance area of hazards and practice slowly to build confidence and reduce the chance of accidents or embarrassment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.